Hey guys, it's Benjamin's birthday and we're going to do some shopping for all the teachers and the students. They said it's 30 students and 6 teachers in the nursery. So this is where my husband, we're going downstairs. He's saying, Kaye, don't worry, we'll carry you. It's your birthday. Anything you say. So before we get to the shop, he's already sleeping now. He's saying, Mama, pick me, please. We're going to pick you. It's your birthday. So we're going straight to a perfume shop as we're going to I don't know how to select gift, so I don't know how to buy someone gift. So what I do is to just get a perfume. Everyone loves perfume, love to smell good. So this is him just running up and down, telling daddy to pay for him. He wants to drive a car before we go. Okay, it's your birthday, we did that. So before Jay, I quickly went to this shop to get a rug for our dining. We didn't really see anyone that we love here, so we have to go to my regular customer shop. You guys, if you've been following me, you know them. But before we get there, this is a perfume shop. Like, they just have different brand and they're so friendly and lovely. So we kind of asked them which one they recommend, which I have Billie Eilish, so I know the scent of Billie Eilish, that it smells so good. So the lady also chose Billie Eilish over another perfume that I have in mind before. So this is him just packaging it. He kind of write a letter or write a note along with the perfume for all the teachers, like, thanks for being a great teacher from Benjamin. And it's so sweet. The lady suggests that, and she also suggests we wrap it like this with a box of chocolate down. So this is me. I went to my regular customer place, which hubby choose this one that he said is going to match with my kitchen, like with my foot mat rug. So then we pick this one. Now we are done. Then we pick up this 4 years candle. Okay, we come back to the perfume shop because he was wrapping the 6 perfume before. Look at the note, it's so cute, right? So we just she kind of printed out, then wrapped all the 6 perfume. Oh my god, they really look so presentable. Now I was telling my husband it looks better than I was like, okay, just carry the carton and go and give them. So this is so beautiful. Take a look, guys. So this is the 6 perfume. We're done. So right now we're heading to the shop to go and do some shopping for the kids as well. This is we heading to Asda supermarket. It seems to be the biggest close to us, where we could just find everything. As it's our first time coming here, so we have to just tell one of the workers to show us where they sell things in carton, like in bulk. So this is it. We took some capsule, chocolate, biscuits, snacks, a lot, and here we are doing the payment and we're done. Boom, inside the car, guys. So at this point we just head home. We have to go 2 times because it's really big, but before anything I need to fill this stomach because I am so hungry. Like, all the run around, I didn't take anything. So here we are. So guys, it's Benjamin's birthday and we just got some pack for the teachers. There are 6 teachers in school. My husband asked them yesterday. So we got this pack for all the teachers. This is chocolate, box of chocolate and Billie Eilish perfume.
There's a note written.
And there's a note written when they're about to open it. There's a note written on it with Benjamin's name.
Thanks for being a great teacher.
Thanks for being a great teacher. I think this
From
is a very
Benjamin.
good pack. So these are the 6 packs for the teachers.
The kids are how many?
30. They are 30 in numbers. I got some of these ones on Amazon to pack the box. Oh, this is Benjamin's gift. Thank God he's not here. Like those 2 balloons we packed, you know, they cry for our sis. So let's check what is inside. Oh yeah. Okay, we got this ocean coloring book on Amazon. This is a ocean coloring book for kids. Yeah, wow, it's so beautiful. These are already drawn, but they have to do the coloring themselves. We got 30 of it. This is Benjamin's gift. This is his gift. All these ones. This is 30. This is 40 pieces. Oh, it's too small.
We have to go back home.
I want to go back to Amazon.
No, we have to go and buy another one in the shop.
Ah, this is very small, guys. I got it. Oh my god, it's too small. Ooh. So this is to keep the kit. Only let's see. Let me just.
It's small. We have to go back. We have to go and buy it.
Let's see what we
let
have
me
for
go
the
and buy.
Oh. Only these are not too long already. So we have one of these. arrange them very, very well. One of this. One of this. One of this.
I'm also my own one.
That your own no good. Then the other one, yeah, one of this. Then capison. One capison. So guys, inside here we have Ocean, the top secret pack. They have a magic pen and a magic book here. So we're going to be adding it to each pack. So guys, at this point, her hubby went out to go and check if he could see any shop open at this point to get some bags. Since this one is very small, as we have 10 items to keep inside the kid's bag. How far you see? Which one? Oh my god. Guys, see what hubby went to go and buy. Almost about 60 pounds. Huh? And this one look colorful for kids before, you see? They for like them. I wish we know we have checked it since they deliver it. This one will enter, right?
Enter with 10% or what? You can just put that thank you to seal them.
So this is it, guys. 60 pounds. My god. So we have one capison in here. We have one of this one. I need one of this. We have one of this one. Then we have one of this book. We have one of this drawing book. Then we have one of this magic pen. There's pen inside and there's also a magic book. This one I never put. Okay, we have one of this. We have one chocolate from this boss. Oh, we have one this. We have gummy there. My son's gummy there. Oh my god. So it's not 10 guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not 10.
You put inside that one.
Yeah, put everywhere. So guys, this is what we are doing to each bag. Just join it together like this. Then lock it.
I think the ones you lock, open it.
No, I never lock those ones. So guys, this is how everything turned out to be. Like super cute, but thank God we still have for this one.
Yeah, it's good.
You like it, right?
Yeah, over many presents for everyone.
So many prizes for everyone. This is for your teachers, okay? You have how many teachers? 6, right?
Yeah, I will open it.
Wait, I will open it. This is for your teacher, okay?
Yeah.
And this is for who? Alex.
Alex.
Who is your best friend?
Alex.
Who is your best friend?
Alex.
Then the gift. These are 30 bags for 30 students. Then the Billie Eilish perfume. 6 for 6 to the 6 teachers. So this is it, guys.
Remember that teachers?
Yeah, this is for teachers. Okay, this is for your teachers. All right.
Okay. This is how you touch it. Say wow.
He say, "Who is that?" They will say, "It's Benjamin." Yeah. Yeah, put it here. Thank you, son. Yeah. When you give your teacher tomorrow, your teacher will say, "Wow." Right? He said, "Yeah." He said, "Who bring it?" He said, "You're gonna say it's Benjamin."
Yeah, mom and dad.
Oh, mommy and daddy. Aww. Bring your present. This is your present. You're going to open it tomorrow.
Okay. And I got mom.
No space.
Mom.
Ready? Okay, no, leave our baby.
Mom, do it.
Take those things for me. Wow.
This for teacher. Teacher will say,
This is for your teachers.
Mommy.
They're going to say, "Oh, Benjamin, you're such a nice boy."
And the best present. And the best present.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a lot of present. This is your present. Good boy.
Come, let's go. see, tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow we'll put cake here.
Cake?
Yes, cake.
Hey, not Stella.